Ay, may gusto lang ako i-share sa inyo mga kapatid. And actually, again, the primary purpose of this video is um, mapanood sana ng anak ko paglaki niya. Hindi ko naman alam kung buhay pa ako paglaki niya or baka may mga magaganda akong masasabi na hindi man napapakinggan ng maraming tao pero baka mapakinggan niya. Kasi sa YouTube ko nagawa ako ng album na para sa kanya. Mga things na gusto kong mapakinggan niya. Ayoko sanang mapanood niya yung mga nagbabakla-bakla o yung mga nagmumukha kong tanga dito. Trip-trip ko lang. Pero, well, um, alam niyo, I was trying to pay a certain fee kanina. And doon sa pamamaraan ng payment na yon online. And the over-the-counter payment would be very difficult for me siya ngayon because I am really too busy. And I have a child na kailangan kong alagaan. So my time and any extra effort is too difficult. Now, I have tried paying so many times doon sa minungkahi nilang pamamaraan ahead of time. I think March 5 ba or March 4 I was trying to pay. And hindi na ano yung payment ko. And the cut-off, dumating na siya. Pero before the cut-off, I was able to send my ticket. Yeah, my partner calls it ticket or some form of complaint or some form of plea explaining my situation. I did everything that I can and it is no longer up to me. But in the end, sobrang haba ng proseso. And to cut the long story short, na-realize ko na yes, I can go public with many things, but who would listen to me? And kung malaki yung institusyon na babanggain mo, doon sa kanilang inadequacies, wala rin mangyayari. Like so many things na nangyari sa buhay natin. Sometimes you just have to expect na magtatapon ka ng pera. Because this world will never be fair. As much as I can try to use my skills and my resources to gumanti, but it is very futile. Minsan yung problema ay institusyon, minsan is the banking, minsan. To cut the long story short again, there are things na out of my hands. And sometimes yung perang hindi mo hiningi, yung perang pinaghirapan mo is very difficult to let go. Pero sa buhay na ito, there are things na hindi mo hawak. You can only do your best and of course, you would suggest them to fight for their right but nasa sa kanila na yon kung papayagan kanila. You know, there are many things dito sa mundo na to na ano ko ba sasabihin? It is a mere privilege. It is not a right but it is a privilege. Let's say nagbabayad ka for a certain privilege na nasa kanila kung tatanggapin nila yung bayad mo at makukuha mo yung privilege na yun o hindi. So basically, it is not your right. It is just a privilege. No? Kailangan handa ka na hindi ka nila tanggapin at hindi mo makuha yung privilege yung binabayaran mo. However, it is your right na maibalik yung pera nila sa'yo kasi it would be unjust enrichment. It would be unfair. And it would be unjust. And pag naman lumaban ka sa mga ganun, sometimes you don't win. Minsan, nasa kabilang buhay na lang yung hustisya. That's life. And medyo matanda na ako para ma-realize ko yung lahat. And I've kept a lot of anger inside sa mga bagay na hindi fair. And sana matutunan ng anak ko na life is not fair but you should still try to be fair and just sa kapwa mo. And yung kaya mong labanan mo. Yung hindi, ikaw pa sa Diyos mo. I mean, may mga bagay kang hindi kayang labanan kasi pag kaya mo lahat, baka makalimutan mo yung Diyos. That's the reason. That's the reason ba't maraming unjust dito. Kasi baka makalimutan natin siya. Baka kung lahat ng pinalagan natin, nanalo tayo, makakalimutan natin yung Diyos. So, that's one of the lessons na gusto kong maintindihan niya and para hindi siya magtanim ng galit. Kasi God is teaching you something. Though maraming forces ang demonic, makikialam sila dito. But if you are really strong in your faith sa Diyos, you'd get by. Fortunately for me, doon sa binabayaran ko, tinanggap. And hindi ko lang alam kung, bagamat tinanggap yung payment, hindi ko alam kung I would get the privilege na binabayaran ko or yung subscription na binabayaran ko o hindi. But whatever happens, whether feeling mo magtapong ka ng pera o feeling mo nagsayang ka ng pagod at hirap and time, well, it's up to them. And it's up to God. The important thing is nagawa mo naman yung part mo. Yun na lang. God bless.